steps and trials. Now you can do it in one step. Sound interesting? So let me show you.
You may experience in design software step-by-step mode. So you need to go through step before you can see the answer, right? So imagine that you can do it by a click of button. Do you want it? Okay. If you trust me, then you must continue watch my video. Let's begin with the fast demo. Okay. So here the ZeonStorm icon. I start to launch it. Okay, so I directly selected for the rational method. Okay, so here the user interface for the rational method. Okay, so for this part, okay, this is the input of the pond. Okay, so here you need to do just to fill up in the blank. Okay, here. This part. Okay, so once you're ready, all the data parameter. Okay, next. We'll move to the click run, okay, which is just click in one click application. Okay, so with a one click application, everything is done by computer. Okay, so after that, you need to do is evaluate your result here. Okay, so you can check your Q3 must be greater than your Q post. Okay, and then your water level must be less than 3 meters, and then your maximum storage. Okay, so once you're happy with all this data, okay, you can proceed with the reporting here. Okay. So our reporting part actually it look like an Excel, but it's not the Excel. Okay, so in here you can get the comprehensive report. Okay, so one enable you to submit to authority approval. Okay, so here the design calculations. Okay, the maximum routing. Okay, and then we also attach the appendix part. And all the routing. So it's easy, right?
Good. With the software, your job is ready. So you can go home early. Thank you.